Tesla Model S and Model X. Tesla has timed the premiere of the updated flagship models, the Model S Liftback, and the Model X Crossover. Both electric vehicles received a new interior, which can be described as a transitional one on the way to full autonomous driving. Last year, Tesla launched a public beta testing of the full self-driving program in the United States, that is a full-fledged autopilot. Tesla equipped with full self-driving, in good visibility conditions, are able to make independent many hours of travel, including sophisticated city routes with complex road junctions and chaotic traffic. The full self-driving program is now publicly available, although legally it is still an SAE, Level 2 autopilot, that is, a system that requires constant human monitoring, which is honestly stated on the Tesla consumer website. It also says that the city autopilot mode is not yet available, although at the beta testing stage, as we have seen, everything works. Advances in autopilot explain why the interiors of the flagship Model S and Model X have changed. The traditional steering wheel is no longer required here, since the driver, as conceived by the developers, with the introduction of the full self-driving program, will rarely turn to it. Instead of a steering wheel, there is now a more compact steering wheel without a closed rim, and the steering column levers have disappeared from the column to which it is attached. It is assumed that the autopilot will now also control the light and turn signals, but the ability to manually turn on the turn signals and headlights still remains, using touch panels and rotating drums on the steering wheel. The same story with the transmission mode selector. In physical form it is no longer there, and even if the car is controlled by a person, artificial intelligence will turn on the desired mode itself. And if he does not guess? Then again you will have to turn to the touch keys. Those that manage the transmission are located on the central tunnel near the 2 slots for charging smartphones. Again, in light of the smooth transition to fully autonomous driving, the entertainment capabilities of the Model S and Model X had been significantly expanded, a powerful gaming computer, and an 8-inch monitor for rear passengers, on which you can run modern video games, controlled via a wireless joystick, improved integration with video streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, and Twitch, a karaoke function and a new premium audio system with 22 speakers and active noise cancellation. The interior design has been almost completely redesigned, new door cards and finishing materials, a new visually lighter front panel with hidden air ducts, a 17-inch horizontal multimedia screen instead of the previous vertical one, a new 12.3 inches driver's dashboard, which is mainly needed to track the autopilot in real time. All seats, steering wheel, and windshield are heated. The front seats also have a built-in ventilation system. Their own USB-C port is provided for each passenger. 3-zone climate control is standard. The smartphone acts as a key. The exterior, there are also small changes, a new more laconic design of bumpers, fog lights have disappeared from the front, a new design of rims, instead of chrome black decor. A new gradation of modifications with improved hardware has been timed to coincide with the update. The basic twin-engined all-wheel drive version of the Model S is now called Long Range, without the previous Plus attachment. Peak power of 679 horsepower, acceleration to 100 km/h in 3.2 seconds, top speed of 250 km/h, power reserve on one charge, 663 km according to EPA. There will be a 3-engine top version of the Tesla Model S Plaid, plus with a new generation battery that will allow you to travel over 840 km on a single charge. The Tesla Model X Long Range crossover has the same technology as the Model S Long Range, but taking into account the greater mass and worse aerodynamics, the range on one charge is 580 km, and the acceleration to 100 km/h takes in 3.9 seconds. Maximum speed of 250 km/h. Tesla Model X Plaid can travel 547 km on a single charge, and accelerates of 100 km/h in 2.6 seconds. The maximum speed of 262 km/h. think of Tesla, Model S and Model X? Let us know of your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much for watching.